Here we are in the Westcoast Cylinders Engineering Department, and I have the opportunity today to talk to one of the members of the technical team here at Westcoast Cylinders. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Campbell, and I've been with Westcoast Cylinders for about 3.5 years now. I'm the primary designer of our E-Series electric roller screw actuators, and I also design custom hydraulic and pneumatic cylinders.
Okay, thank you very much, Sean. Can you tell me about a project that you were really excited working on?
Sure. Our electric actuators have been an exciting product line to work on and develop. We knew from the beginning that they needed to withstand some of the harshest mill environments that we've seen. So we housed our roller screws in an all-steel body. We gave it a tough nitrided output shaft, as well as the ability to adapt to any customer-supplied motor.
Okay.
Westcoast Cylinders has a reputation for creating long-lasting and durable cylinders, and the E-Series has proven to be a successful replacement for hydraulics and pneumatics in the field.
Excellent. Now, how long have the E-Series been in the field?
We've been running almost 4 years now, successfully, in many mills across North America.
Great to hear. All right, thank you, Sean. We're almost done. I think the rest of the time will be painless. Can you tell me about a characteristic of Westcoast Cylinder that you think really sums up its engineering and design philosophy?
Sure. We're a small group of designers who work really closely with our customers to make sure that all requirements and requests for their projects are incorporated into their cylinders.